guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a look that I wore this past weekend to brunch. If you are watching this video, then you probably already saw the tutorial for my hair. If not, check out the card above. But anyways, we're starting this look by priming my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer, especially if you have super oily skin, because your makeup just grabs onto it and it actually does not move for the remainder of the day. But yeah, so after I prime my face, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Most of you guys know that I have super thick eyebrows. I usually don't fill them out, but today I'm going for a beat, honey, like a beat. Like I'm trying to be beat, okay? So yeah, today I decided to draw my eyebrows. Granted, I only did a little 1-2, but nonetheless, it was a little beat. And I am using the NYX eyebrow pencil, I think in the color Espresso. So yeah, and after I draw it in, I'm taking the e.l.f. concealer. I'm not really sure what color it was, I don't remember, but I definitely leave all the products down below. But I'm taking the e.l.f. concealer, the 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm just carving out my eyebrows with that. I love this concealer, but you guys cannot let this dry down, because when it dry down, baby, it don't move. Okay, so after our eyebrows are nice and blended, I'm going to go in again with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and prime my eyes for our eyeshadow. Yes, today we are attempting eyeshadow. I don't know if I've mentioned this in any of my other videos, but I don't really be knowing what I'm doing when it comes to eyeshadow, you know what I'm saying? I just be putting colors on my eyes and hoping it look nice. Sometimes it don't, sometimes it do. This was actually one of those times that it did. I remember seeing Jackie AINA do like a lid like this like years ago, and I was like, let me try it or whatever. So yeah, I did try to do eyeshadow. You guys can watch it. It'll be therapeutic to you guys who know what you're doing. You're probably like, girl, wait, like why? But I'm trying, guys, and one of my goals this year is to try to master eyeshadow, try to make it look good. So this is the first of many videos that you guys will see me attempting to do eyeshadow. For lashes, I'll be using this very glam pair that I got off of AliExpress. I don't really know the vendor or the link to them because they came when I ordered a wig. So sorry that I couldn't give you guys the link to them. But yeah, if you just Google or search fluffy lashes, you can find a pair similar to them. For foundation, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation in the color Chai, and I'll be putting this all over my face. I know it looks very orange on camera, but I promise in person it matches me perfectly. And also after it dries down, the orangeness of it goes away. For concealer, I'll be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. This is just my base. I told you guys earlier that I wanted to have a beat, so I like to use a base first and then go in with a lighter concealer on top. I did leave this on for a while. I took some pictures, watched a movie, whatever. I think maybe like 5 minutes, and I let it dry down for a better coverage. So the key to having a real beat, like, you know, like those Instagram beats or whatever, is to use a lighter color on top of your base. And I'm using the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I don't remember the color, but definitely check the description bar. And then blend it out with a brush instead of a sponge. The brush will give it like a no filter type of filter, or like a airbrush finish. So I definitely prefer to use a brush rather than a sponge when doing the top coat of my concealer. Before I set my concealer with my setting powder, I like to go in with my contour. Today I'm contouring with Black Opal Suede Mocha, and I like to basically color it onto my brush and then apply it to my face with my brush instead of just drawing lines on my face and then trying to blend it out. I feel like when I do it like that, I always have harsh lines or a harsh contour, but with this, it's more airbrushed, it's more blendable, and I didn't show it, but I do go back and forth between the concealer brush and this brush to give me a better gradient between my concealer and my contour. I'm using the Fenty setting powder in the color Banana to set under my eyes and everywhere else that I place the concealer. I do first go in and press it into my skin to hold the concealer in place, and then I go back with the second round and lightly place it on my face, kind of to reverse contour or reverse sculpt my face. I do that only under my eyes and around where my nose is on the side of the contour, not on my forehead or my chin, because I don't want it to look bigger than what it already is. For bronzer or contour setting, whatever you want to call it, I'm going in with the Black Radiance in the color Cafe. I absolutely love this bronzer. I use it with my contour. I use it alone. I use it as eyeshadow. I literally use it for everything. As you can tell, it's already hitting the bottom of the pan. I am reverse sculpting again with the Fenty banana powder. I like to do by my lips underneath my cheekbones last because I don't like it to sit very long, because if you do, you will have a white line right there that will not go away. So to dust away all of that banana powder and to make sure that all of that is blended, my contour and my concealer, I'm going in with the Sephora, I believe it's the mirrorless press powder. To me, this is like the finishing of it all. Besides the finishing spray, like this is what brings the look together. For blush, I'll be using one that I got from e.l.f. I don't remember the name, but if you're interested, make sure to check out the description box. Okay, so moving back to finish off the eyes, I'm taking the color Credit from the AINA Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to tight line my under eyes. This will just add like a very smoky look to my look. I'm trying to go for a very beat, grown, and sexy day look because I am going to brunch, but I still want to look very, 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 very sexy. Okay guys, we are almost done with this makeup look. If you made it this far into the video, definitely leave me a big thumbs up. But I'm taking the Infallible Pro Spray and Set by L'Oreal to set my face. This has my makeup lasting all freaking day. Even the oils from my natural skin, like, they don't see through, sis. So if you are oily and looking for a good setting spray, definitely check this one out. Alright guys, that's all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one.